beautiful peoples! Hi guys! So, ito ay isa sa aking mga budol of the week. Last Saturday, September 16, 2023. So, this is a Hoya and not sure of the ID. Maybe Hoya Carnosa Pink. So, sino man ang nakakaalam, comment down below po sa comment section ng exact ID niya. So, this is my first flowering Hoya pero flowering na nabili kasi sa aking mga collections ay wala pa akong na-flower kasi nga hindi pa sila ganon ka-thriving. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Maraming salamat sa support. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. God bless everyone. And of course, as always, sinasabi ko, love, love, love!